Director, who was till some time back our medical director, and to have Dr. Avinash Krishna as our medical director, who was till some time back our chief physician. Ladies and gentlemen, having worked with them directly for quite some time now, it is indeed a pleasure for me to be here in this program as the anchor, and I wish them, on behalf of myself and all my colleagues and staff members of this hospital, heartiest congratulations and all success and all the best for your future years. Thank you, sir. I would now request some of our dignitaries in the audience to make welcome addresses on behalf of this hospital and its staff. First of all, I would request Dr. B.N. Jha, Senior PMO Cardio, to please come on the dais and make his address.
Respected CMD sir, respected MD sir, my dear friends, it's a huge challenge to be Commander-in-Chief of the Southeastern Railway from the near border of Bandamunda to this, and taking care of all the patients. Railway family is a big family and it is expanding. And sir have got a lot of opportunity. He is a man from the grassroots, Trinmul, and he has seen the basics from the basic structure last 30 years. Now railway health system is one of the almost among the top 10 healthcare best system in India. And as per the data is showing, not by the words, data is showing it is the one of the best healthcare. Now thing is that the two challenges at the same time, the lot of challenges and new innovations are coming. So sir, first of all, we welcome you for the new this post challenges, both of sir. At the same time, we assured from our side, we will face the challenges and will cooperate you on fighting everything, because our main aim is our well-wishing. Our customer is our patients, to satisfaction for that. Being the Commander-Chief of Southeastern Railway and new captains of the Central Hospital Garden Ditch, sir, I hope we will not let down you at any field. We assured you that in our hospital, being the last month I was in the railway boat and Dr. Annagiri sir was there. He was asking me how many doctors you are having, how many beds are having. He was quite surprised. Why you are having only 34? 30. So he was giving that lot of other doctors, number of doctors, center of excellence can be fused, not all. This is the well-known healthcare. So I hope sir, our staff, our doctors, we can try to do for increasing in future, so that we can face the patient for this. And every field we have to think for that. And one more thing is that coordination in the other department, because we are so many things we are depending on other departments. So if we can coordinate with other department and there is some channel, so that we can cut off time and we can meet, so we can solve a lot of problems with this. And definitely we'll do it. Central Hospital Garden is one of the center of excellence in Eastern region. Our elder brother is Bia Singh. But definitely our data are not bad when we'll do best and best. And we have to help ourselves. I'll end my statement with this. कि पश्चिम की है एक कहावत, उसको धोखो राम सहायक उनके होते हैं जो होते हैं आप सहायक. We have to do ourselves and definitely will do, and for this we will do the best of things. Thank you sir, and welcome you, and we'll challenge this.